The technology is super great. It's using AI technology, which is really cool, and we are very excited to use it.
Hi guys, so we've got Sorelly Jewelers here with us today.
Hello.
They just purchased a full GemLightbox kit and the GemSparkle. Can you just give us some feedback on what you saw today and what you think of the GemSparkle and the GemLightbox?
Yeah, so we are really excited to try it and to use it within our company. And the technology is super great. It's using AI technology, which is really cool, and we are very excited to use it.
Amazing. And International Women's Day is actually coming up this week as well. So I did want to ask if you had a couple of words of advice for our fellow jewelers, on the market. You've been in business for a very long time. What would be your advice?
I think that the most important thing is to put the client first and provide them with a really unique experience. I mean, nowadays we have the AI technology, so we must use it. Like you guys have this technology that we can just take a photo of the ring, and then a woman can see it on her hand. So yes, let's try and make the experience really unique for the customer.
Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for visiting, and I hope you guys love the GemLightbox and the GemSparkle.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.